Hi, I'm Beck and food's my life. In today's video, I'm going to be making a savoury little snack and it's coming right up. So today I'm making cheese and asparagus rolls. This recipe is perfect party finger food, or it'd be really appropriate too for morning teas, afternoon teas, high teas. It's really delicious and very moreish. Every time we had a family party, my auntie would make this and it wouldn't last long. The best part is it's easy to make. All you need are a few ingredients. A fresh loaf of bread, white bread preferably, and it's got to be fresh. The bread has got to be beautiful and soft. A bit of butter, salt and pepper, some asparagus spears in a tin, and you've got to use cheddar cheese. The kind of cheddar cheese that comes in a packet. This is cheese you don't get in the refrigerated section. This is cheese that comes from the shelf. We always used to call it camping cheese because you didn't have to refrigerate it. And it's the really highly processed, really bad for you cheese, but it's delicious. And you've got to use this cheese because it's got a saltiness about it that just adds flavour to this little dish. The first step is to cut the crusts off your bread. The next step is to grate 300 to 400 grams of the cheese and place it in a large bowl. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter to the cheese, followed by a generous amount of ground black pepper. Next, use a spoon to give these ingredients a thorough mix until it comes to a consistency that is easy to spread. Next, take your piece of bread and spread it with a generous amount of the cheese mixture. Then trim a piece of asparagus to fit the bread and then gently but very firmly roll up your cheese and asparagus roll. It's that simple.